Okay, we'll try this again. It worked out real good. Anyhow, so this is the receiver transmitter I'm going to send you. It's the receiver. This is the NASA DJI flight controller. Excellent flight controller. Very good. It's one of my first ones I used, and it works wonders. This is the GPS for it. This is the voltage regulator for it. So I have it all hooked up, ready to go, working off of this transmitter. So try to get this. When the transmitter is bound, radio will have a red light. You know you're good to go. I'm going to hook up the NASA screen here. Try to anyway. You can download this program from DJI site. Okay, it's how you set up the radio and the flight controller. I have it set up right now to, it's in the course lock mode. So I have the switches set up on the transmitter here. So let's go over them. This is your altitude. So you'll start it up with this one. Half throttle should hold you to hover. That'll increase your altitude, decrease altitude, land. This is the rudder, left rudder, right rudder. So the copter will spin to the left or to the right, depending on the stick movement. This one, aileron. That's like the roll, right? So you move the copter sideways to the left or to the right. This is forward, backwards. Farther forward you go, the faster it's going to go. So this is the IOC control, which I'll show you on the screen. It stands for Intelligent Orientation Control. 3 positions: off, course lock, home lock. This switch over here, VRA, it's going to do your GPS, attitude, manual, and you're going to have to watch this light, because this light will tell you what position you're in, because you're not going to have a screen to do that. So we'll go over that too. This flight controller, if you can make this thing, hook this thing up first, it's the best one. The other one I have problems with getting it to arm. You can play with it if you want. I'll set them both to you. This radio here is already set up for that. All you have to do is plug the wires in, just like they come off the receiver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll give you all the jumpers and everything you need. Plus, I'm including the 3DR radio, which will give you telemetry back to the mission planner on the other one. So you got a lot of stuff to do and learn. So if you have any questions, ask. I'll try to explain them the best I can. I'm not a very good teacher. So anyhow, here's the Intelligent Orientation Control on NASA DJI setup. So you can see you got off, course lock, home lock with that one switch I showed you, which would be the SWA. We're going to go back to the basic setup. You're going to have to set up your GPS antenna, and it'll tell you here on the screen how to do that. Okay, this is the main screen you're going to see. Throttle, rudder, elevator, and aileron. Okay, so that all works. X1 and X2 are functions you're probably not going to need. But if the X2 function works off of this 6-position knob here. The GPS attitude, its failsafe function, goes over here. So if you turn the transmitter off, which I'm going to do in a second, it should go to failsafe. See if it does. Yes. It's going to go all the way over to the failsafe position, and it should bring you home. Supposed to. I don't know why it's doing it. The radio back on. Anyhow, this switch here may have to do some adjustment. It's your GPS, so by moving it, it goes to fail-safe, which is return home, fail-safe here, and off. So if you ever want to lose it, it's not the best transmitter, but you can see how it goes. You're going to have to kind of move it to lock it into GPS. GPS is the one you're going to want to fly in all the time anyway when you learn how to fly. So you can afford to buy a better transmitter. This one works fine with the APM module, which I have some other videos I'll show you and send you. Anyhow, so I'll package some of this stuff up and get it off to you as soon as I can. If you have any other questions, please let me know and I'll do my best to answer them.